Salut. Salut Loïc.
Salut Henri.
Salut.
So what's happening here? Should we? Oh wow! Careful.
Ouais.
Okay. Oh, this one is starting again.
So this is the air drone. So the air drone is a toy that Parrot is actually selling, and this is a highly computerized toy. So it flies by itself, and it flies with Wi-Fi. So here the Wi-Fi is very loaded. So and this toy is controlled by your iPhone or your iPad, and this toy permits to play as a video game, but to play in a video game you play always in front a display.
Yep.
A small display, a TV, and at Parrot we do mobile devices. We work with the cell phones, and we want to do and to explore the possibility to make games for the kid, but outside the display, to make games that you can play in the beach, in the courtyard of your house. So this is why we have built the air drone.
Okay, and I don't know if we saw the remote control, but it's on your iPhone, on your Android. Do you want to have a seat, Henri? By the way, feel free to make them fly again anytime if you want to. What you have to know is, please have a seat, Henri.
Okay.
Yes. And even if you want to come on stage and launch them or whatever, feel home. So what you have to know is it's a total challenge to make them fly here because of Wi-Fi. I think we counted, Gary was going to give us an update, but I think we had 3,000 devices connected. So imagine, this is Wi-Fi, so imagine how troubled the air is here in terms of waves, right? You should explain maybe, but it's difficult.
The purpose is to make the drone fly where there is a little Wi-Fi. So the idea is at Parrot we do devices that you use with your mobile phone. And 5 years ago we were thinking of what can we do which is really mobile in gaming. What the mobile phone can bring into gaming. Of course, you have plenty of beautiful games that you can play on your iPhone, but it's like a classical video game. So step by step, we went with the idea of doing robotics or doing something that you play with your phone. And the first thing we did was a remote control car with a camera, and then you can play as if you stole the car of your father when you're 16 years old and you drive it in real.
Yep.
But
Did
it
you
was
do
not.
that? Did you do that?
No, I don't drive.
Ah.
I take the metro. And,
you take the metro.
Yes.
I wonder why I understand your English so well.
Yes.
Let me. I mean, like, and thanks for
maybe
coming.
Maybe we have the same teacher. Or?
If you don't know, Henri is a myth here. So in France, I mean, really very, very famous entrepreneur. So explain, please keep going. So where you're going with that is you're trying to have the kids play outside.
Yes. So we want them to play outside, and also if you see the toys today, the toys have lost the competition against video game. A 10-year-old kid has a PSP, and he has a cell phone because her mother wants to send him an SMS when he leaves the school, and a plastic toy or any toy cannot compete with those devices. So we want to do a device, a toy that can compete with this. And also, I think that a toy is also magical. You know.
That's magical. I don't know if who has played with one already. See, so that's so you know what we're talking about. I have 2 at home, and with 3 boys, it gets pretty wild.
Yes. So what is magical?
What I love, can I tell you what I like especially, is I remove the altitude. There is an altitude limit, and you can remove that in settings. So you say altitude limit, no. And then you can try and have it go high, and it's amazing. On the beach in San Francisco, I took it so high.
Yes.
It doesn't, like, then it loses Wi-Fi, kind of. That's when you-
It can lose the Wi-Fi, yes. And then there is a critical software to recover the drone, but when you lose the Wi-Fi and the altitude measurement, it's not so easy. Huh? It's not so easy. So you can lose it. Huh? Of course, if it's 70 meters high and there is some wind.
I think I did like easily 100 meters, really.
yes.
And
You
then
can-
it started just flying by itself, but it kept flying.
And also, you have plenty of people that have put a camera on the top of it, and they have make videos, and you have videos in other churches in Italy or in the mountains. It really fly very well. Huh?
On YouTube, if you Google if you search for a parrot, you will see it's getting wild there. And so, do you want to show us a game, actually, a video?
Yes, I will show you a video. So, Nicolas, can you send the video of what we believe that we can do? So this is the first game that we have launched a week ago. So
Oh, 1 week ago, okay.
Okay.
Can we see that video? Henri.
Ready, fight. Attack.
There are two cameras in it, right? One camera is in the front, in the nose, and one is filming.
Yes. So what the video shows. Merci beaucoup. So this video show a video game that you can download today on the App Store,
So
and
this
it
is all
shows
available now.
it's now. You can have it now. It is $3.
What we
$2.99.
wanted to do, I have to admit, is we wanted to have them fly and fight in the room, but so much Wi-Fi and devices made it impossible. As you can see, they really have. They fly great, but just not here.
So the video shows the purpose. It's to do video game in real. So a video game where you are not only piloting a virtual plane, but you are piloting a real thing, and you can hide yourself in the real space and play in real. So this is the purpose of the air drone. Do video games in real. We have built SDK, and this SDK is available on the internet for free for game developers. We have a license where you say that you will not use it as a weapon and a military purpose.
Henri, I mean, come on. Yeah, I mean, you're saying that, but at the same time, your YouTube promo videos are shot in the Paris metro attacking people.
No, playing.
Yeah, right.
No, it's not a war.
Right, they go right into the.
It's for fun.
It's for fun.
It's for fun. It's for fun. It's for fun. It is not a weapon. It is a very light helicopter, and he passed all the rules to be sold as a toy for 14 and over. So
What's the cost? First, how much does it cost to buy?
so it costs 299 euro or dollar.
Oh, euro or dollar is the same?
But you have the tax here. You don't have the tax in the
Okay,
US, so
so-
more or less it's the same.
And I'm just, yeah. So we, and how much did it cost to produce? Like how long? When did you start?
It costs less.
No, I mean, I mean the whole program.
The whole program. So
Yeah, not
the whole program, it took us at Parrot nearly 5 years to develop this program. We start with the idea of video games and the
5 years.
5 years, yes, 5 years.
And like, how much funding did you need to achieve? Because that's very complex, right? It can fly. If the wind comes in, it stabilizes
Yes.
itself. It's
Yes.
idiot-proof. Like, I can fly it.
So because at Parrot we are specialists of DSP software. All the products that we do have a DSP software, and we are specialists of speech software for the appliance we do for the car. And the idea with the air drone is to use DSP software, but not speech, video software, image software, to measure some fundamental values of the flight, especially the speed, because you have the accelerometer and the gyrometers, the same that you have on the smartphones, but to fly well, you need to measure the speed. So we measure the speed with a video camera, and this was the most difficult part of the project, but also to understand how to make easy and interesting controls for the kid to pilot an helicopter, because in fact it's very difficult to fly.
You're right. In fact, it's difficult to fly. What's coming next, Henri? So this is available now. What are you cooking? What are you preparing? Crazy.
We are very interested of this idea to do augmented reality games, and I believe that in augmented reality, what you have to listen is reality is big, and augmented is something that you add on the top of the cake. But the big cake is to do real things. So the project is to build more and more games and game ideas with a helicopter. But also, we are very happy at Parrot of the results of the product, and we are investing in a new concept and new ideas of robotic toys who work with your telephone.
So there's new devices coming?
Yes, but remember, it took nearly 5 years to do this one, so next will take many years also.
And you already have developers around it? There's an ecosystem of people creating apps for it?
Yes, so we have put, and I think also it is an interesting thing of this project. It is a project where we put the project in the ecosystem, which is very big. For example, it works with a smartphone. Today, yep. Apple
Android
smartphone, but it is potentially it can work with any Wi-Fi device.
Yep.
So and also so there is the toy, the remote control device, which is your phone or your computer, and then video games that developers can develop. Of course, Parrot also we develop games, and those video games are distributed. We don't ask for a license like you had on the previous video game business as Nintendo or Sony, where the license fee was very heavy to develop games.
That's super exciting. Henri, thank you so much for coming and showing us
Thank you so much.
And good luck.
Faire décoller?
Oh,
okay,
oh, wow, here we go.
Ta-dam, 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 ta-dam.
Wow,
voilà,
higher.
Voilà. Voilà. OK, merci beaucoup.
And
Allez,
we
salut.
keep them flying.
Salut.
Thank you so much, Henri.
Thank you.